How do you change an engine air filter on a Tundra? Well, that's brought to you by John's Jeep Garage. Thank you. Hi, welcome to John's Jeep Garage. Today we have another bonus feature video on a Tundra, 2017 Tundra. What we are going to do is change the engine air filter. It's a very easy task, very quick. We own 3 Jeeps and a Tundra, so you will see some Tundra bonus features in our program. Thank you for watching. And again, this is a very quick video, but there's one safety feature. Please make sure your engine is not hot. Thank you. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, let's look at the type of air filter we're going to use here. You can use many types. This is a Fram Extra Guard 11895. The location of the air filter housing is on the passenger side in the big box right here. And you have 2 front clips that you need to take. This one right here on the left and this one on the right. There's a ring underneath, and all you do is you lift it up and then you pull the clip out as it releases the tension, and do the same for the other side. Lift up and pull the clip out as you release the tension. Okay, so let's lift up. You see the air filter on the other side with the black gasket. Our new one has an orange gasket. Let's take a quick look. This is the position that it's going to go. The gasket's going to remain on top. Now let's take this one out. Simply just lift it up by the gasket and pull out. You can see how dirty this thing is. That's the other side where the air flows in. But let's clean it. I use something very simple like Windex or any just gentle cleaner. Wipe it with a rag really quick just to get the excess dust out of it. You can see it's kind of dirty. Let's get our new filter and put it in gasket side up, insert it into the box, and let's make sure it fits snug all the way around, all the corners pressed in. And then you can see there are these tabs on the bottom. Let's get a close-up because they're going to go into these retaining holders. Make sure they go underneath. They're on both sides. Slip it in so it's a nice, neat fit. Check all around and make sure it's fitting correctly. And now let's go back and reattach both these retaining clips. Lift it up, put it in the slot, and then push the ring down. And you can see there how it's positioned. And same on the other side. Lift it up. Put it in its little slot, push the ring down, and now it's nice and secure, and your job is done. Thank you for visiting, and if this video helped, please like and subscribe to our channel.